Hello everyone, this is Sri Nikhil. Welcome to document classification. In the document classification, we go through the how the document is classified in the by using the Weka tool. What is document classification? Document classification is also a data mining problem. Fortunately, we can make use of CRISP DM process, which according to the Wikipedia, data mining process model that describe commonly used approaches that data mining experts use to tackle problems. Document classification steps. This document classification steps is go into six main steps. First is the business understanding. In this business understanding, we start up a business, we get the customers, and next we understand the requirements given by the customers, and we go into the data understanding. In the next step, data preparation. By using the customer requirements, we collect the attributes and the entities for the data preparation for the further step. And next we will select the modeling, which we can select which model we want to implement to solve this document classification, like Bayes, etc., which help us to evaluate the problem. In-depth business and data understanding. In business understanding phase, we try to find a model that can classify documents into further requirements with best policy accuracy. For the data understanding starts the real work. In the following step, we will inspect the data sets to decide which steps are needed to prepare for the data for the classification. We have two data sets in this phase. One is trained and the other one is test data set in the ARFF format. As you see the file, Weka only allow the ARFF format, which is simple, and a header section which includes the description of attributes and the class labels. So for our case, we have one attribute which is text of type string and the class attribute of type boolean, which is 0 or 1 for the non-con and 1 for the con. The rest of the files in the data is the following format: text and the class labels. And next we go for the data preparation. The data preparation phase is the main phase in which we prepare the data for the classification using information acquired for the observation phase. We will do the following steps for the data preparation. First, we will clean the data, and next the text tokenization is given for each word, and then the transformation take place. And the third step is the attribute selection, in which we will select the attributes for the classification. Cleaning and tokenization. Both cleaning and tokenization can be done using the string to word vector conversion filter using the Weka tool, that is STWV, in which we will select. Further, we can implement ISO in depth. What is tokenization? To make the provide document classifiable using machine learning, we need to do feature extraction, which is used to tokenization to each word given in the document after conversion of string to the word document, which is converting the normal text to the set of features that can be used by the machine learning algorithm to discriminate between the con and non-con words. In our case, we will done by using the string to word conversion by using each word in the document is a feature and the number of occurrence in each instance is the feature value. Coming to the next slide. Modeling and classification evaluation. In this phase, we select the requirement classifier algorithm and run the dataset, and we go with classification. There are many classifier algorithms to run for different types of datasets according to your concern. Example, NaviBayes or JRISP algorithms for the modeling, etc. After the classification, the result get evaluated with the given dataset and run classifier algorithm, and we get the result. Coming to the next, we implement using the Weka tool for the text classification. What is Weka tool? This is the main tool used for the document classification. This work shows the use of Weka a tool that implements the most common machine learning algorithm to perform a text mining analysis on the set of documents. Applying these methods require initial steps, which of the text is converted into a structured format. Both the processing phase and the analysis of transformed data set using the classification and the clustering algorithm can be carried out entirely with this tool. In the rigorous and the simple way, the work describes the construction of two classification models starting from two different sets of documents. These models are not meant to be good or realistic, but just illustrate how we can use it for text mining analysis. Let us go into the depth. I taken two data sets. For example, you see on the screen here we have two data sets. One, everything is in the string form. The trained data set is in ARFF format, which is STEM, and the test as well. Data understanding. In this data understanding, we inspect the dataset to decide which steps are needed to prepare the data for classification. In our case, this will be done by string to word converter by using each word. The document is a feature and the number of occurrence in each instance is a feature value. First, we will choose the button below the filter and then go for the filter and we use the unsupervised and then we select for the attribute and then we go to the string to word convert vector apply. In the next step, we have select the attributes. In this step, there are many ways to spot the best attributes. I will list them here of your information, but for the sake of this tutorial, the provide the attribute with the left axis. This is how it goes. And coming to the next, here you can see the selection attribute and then we select the use attribute ARFF. Then we select the which attribute it will give the ranking. According to the ranking, we select the selected attribute. And next we go for the filter classification. Now we will do the classification using the Navi Bayes algorithm for this file. According to the problem, we will select different type of algorithm for the classification of the document. Here on the we first go for the classifier and then we select the which data set we have provided and next we apply for the Navi Bayes algorithm. Then the document is classified into the various forms. Here clearly you can see the document. Here it shows the accuracy and the word-to-word convertization and the everything in document is classified and how many words, the number of times it is occurring and the as classifies. Here you can see the matrix, confusion matrix and the values of A, B, C, D and the classified as, and here you can check each and everything. And the next final step, here we go for the evaluation. In the evaluation, you can see the time taken to test the model and each everything currently classified instances and the statistics and the relative attribute error and each and everything with the percentage actual accuracy. In each step we can see the TP rating, TP rate and the precision and the recall and the class and which class and this conversion of the classes and each everything you can see which is on the screen, and it finally gives the confusion matrix. Each and every accuracy is given by our document. And this is all about the document classification which I go through, and this is all. Thank you. This is Sri Nikhil. Thank you for the opportunity.